Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up reminders in Excel. Start by creating a table with task, due date, and status columns, and enter your items. Add a helper column that calculates days until due using equals a to today or similar. Apply conditional formatting to highlight rows when days until due falls below your threshold. Optionally, use countif or filters to list only upcoming or overdue items for quick review. Use a simple formula set to keep reminders dynamic and reliable. Use equals today as the baseline, then compute days remaining with equals due date today. Create a status formula like equals IF, days less or equal 0, overdue if days less or equal 3, due soon, on track. Combine IF with and to add more nuanced rules. And reference these results in conditional formatting or filters, so your reminder system updates every time you open the workbook. Conditional formatting makes reminders visually obvious and effortless to maintain. Create separate rules for overdue, due soon, and on-track status, and apply them to the entire row range so each task highlights clearly. Use contrasting colors like red for overdue and amber for due soon, ensuring rule precedence so urgent formats take priority. Test by changing dates to see the formatting respond instantly, and lock your format range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.